good, y'all? It's your boy VQ37 Miles, man. I know it's been a while since I've been behind the camera, but I've had to get some shit done, man. Today, we had to get the hood re-cleared. It was hazing and looking ugly, so that's where we at right now. The hood is off. The baby's out. And it's dirty. I know it's dirty, y'all. We getting ready for the show tomorrow. Don't worry, it'll be clean. But we getting ready to go. We at my boy's shop right now. I put his Instagram name at the bottom. But we getting ready to see what he's gonna do. He's gonna lightly sand down the hazing off the hood. It's gonna re-clear for me. So I'll show you a little bit of the before and after. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I'll see, and then we'll go from there, y'all. Hope y'all like it, man. There's a little before and after. You guys can see the hazing right there. So like here's some of the hazing that's ass, and then here's some of the, let me see. Here's some of the okay spots. You can see a couple okay spots on there, but the outside's fine. But all this hazing looks disgusting. Looks cloudy, y'all. Like I had to get that finished. So we get ready to take it in the shop. We better get it all done. He working on this bad El Camino right here. Once that thing's done, that's gonna look ridiculous. Work on this Beamer. Ooh, nice little 650. But yeah, this thing better be back to new, like the day it got it. Can hear me, man. It's a little loud, but while he's doing that, as you see, he was sending that down. Yo, check this out, y'all. Yo, tell me this isn't sick, yo. This thing is dope. It's the bottom of the hood, y'all. So he's done doing that. All he has left to do is clear coat this, so it can be shiny like the sides. And yo, this thing ready to go, and this is amazing. So detailed. I think it's fire. It's super detailed. Fire. He also got this dope bike. I don't want to take it off because it's getting dusty, but pinstriping on the bike. Look at the helmet he did over there. Ooh, the monster helmet. That's just fire. boys hooked it up, man. Step one, stage one is completely sanded down. No clear, no nothing. Completely sanded down. Little blemish there, but that's no major deal. Little stuffs here, that's no major deal. The weight to this thing is done, man. His work speaks for itself. So we just praying that this thing comes out perfect.
Two hours later.
Alright, so this is stage two. Stage two clear coat. Oh, my boy hooked it up, man. We're getting it done. Stage two, y'all. Stage two. Stage three, y'all.
Like when it's